Honorable Ruku, you have been nominated by His Excellency the President to be Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Human Capital Development, and Special Programs. As a nominee before this committee, give us a concise and precise story of your life. Who is Ruku? What do you stand for? Why do you think you are suitable for this nomination? In not more than 5 minutes.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, Honorable Speaker. My name is Geoffrey Ruku as I've mentioned. I was born in a village called Gogori village in Getipuri sub-location, Getipuri location in Bere, North Sub-County. I was born in the year 1978, February date 15th. I went to school in our local primary school called Getipuri Primary School, proceeded to secondary school, Chicago Boys High School, which I later joined Catholic University of Eastern Africa, where I studied Bachelor's of Commerce. And later I joined the University of Nairobi, where I did a postgraduate diploma in diplomacy and international relations. Later I joined the same institution, University of Nairobi, where I did Masters of Business Administration in Finance. And I graduated in the year 2009, then joined Embassy of Israel. But before then, I taught at Kenya Polytechnic then, students who are doing a diploma in diplomacy and international relations. Later I went to work with Oxfam GB for a period of 6 months under the Pan-Africa program. And I was interviewed for a whole year by the Embassy of Israel and given a job as the coordinator for international cooperation and development, where I worked for 3 years from December 2006 all the way to 2009. And I ventured into business sector, where I started my registered company called Carbon Man Africa. Later, we formed a joint venture with a French company. We named the joint venture Climate Power Limited. All these companies were involved in implementation of climate change projects, generating carbon credits and selling them in the carbon market. In the year 2015, I was appointed by President then as the trustee of Water Service Trust Fund, which is now Water Sector Trust Fund, where I served for 3 years. And later, I also worked in South Africa for 2 years, from year 2013, for 2 years here, from the year 2013 to 2015, as a dependent contractor implementing low carbon project, Propua low carbon project in Madagascar, Malawi, and South Africa. Then I served also as a trustee, and later I filed for the parliamentary seat in the year 2022, where I was elected as a member of Parliament for Mbeere North constituency, the seat which I hold even now. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Thank you. I'll now invite members of this committee, starting with the minority leader, to ask questions.